dollars, so they think I'm Mason. And I got my queens on my feet like I'm a fan of racing. And the way my nigga cop peas, I'm starting to think they tracing. Keep a pump around my friends, I know that they could be faking. Like a humble nigga, I'm sorry, I can't take it. They won't help a nigga.
What's good, SMA Nation? As you see, it's your girl Sid here back with another lit video. Y'all, as you guys see in the title down below, I will be doing the backseat prank on my boyfriend. Now, this video is a little overdue, y'all. This is long overdue for me to do. So we're gonna go ahead and get it done today. I don't even know exactly how I'm gonna do the video. That part I don't know. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna play it out and do it, but of course I gotta figure it out. I'm gonna freestyle it. Alex is outside right now waiting on me to come, and yeah, we're gonna go get some food because he said he's hungry. So I don't even know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna do it, y'all. I'm gonna nail it. Y'all know how I am with these pranks. I pull through with them, period. So if you like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe before we even get into it. So I will see you guys once the camera is set up. And yeah, I guess I have to vlog. Do I have to vlog for this? Do I have to vlog for this video? I think I do have to vlog for this video in order, you know, for the camera to be on and for me to do it. So I guess that's what we're going to be doing today, y'all. So like, comment, subscribe, don't forget, and I'll see you guys on the video in the car. Peace.
What's good, SMA Nation? It's your girl Sid.
It's your boy Alex, man.
And we're back with the vlog.
Today's gonna be like a real chill type vlog. I need to go clean out my car and get me some food because I am dying of hunger right now.
We're gonna get some Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. But yeah, we're about to go to the what is it called again? The car wash, y'all. We're about to go to the car wash. The car wash. Yup, put your seatbelt on. But I don't know if I look cursed or not, but I'm trying to really look at my hair, y'all, because I flat ironed my hair, but like I didn't go to the professional, so my hair likes to frizz up, and it is hot as heck outside. So if my hair gets poofy midway of this video, it is not my fault. It done already frizzed up, y'all, because when I walked out my house,
clean your side of trash, yeah.
Because when I walked outside of my house, my hair decided to frizz up. Okay, so it's gonna be poofy, but if I clean my side out, it's gonna be poofy, because I'm gonna be outside. The heat. Ladies, y'all, if y'all know, like, and he talking about something. I don't even want to get out and do that.
Heard you. But you are.
But yeah, my hair, I got very bad split ends and my hair needs to be cut. Alright, y'all, we about to go through the car wash. We just got finished cleaning out the car. So yeah.
I don't know why my car feel like it's creaking. Hey. Yo, chill, come up front. What you doing? Sydney, you're a little kid, bro. This is not time to be a little kid. My car feel cricket going through here right now. Yeah, a little bit.
Come back here.
No, what the fuck? It stinks going through this bitch. Okay. No. Bro.
Let's go. To the back. Hurry up before we go.
Why?
Come to the back seat.
Bro. Sydney, what's up?
Take it off. Take it off.
Are you straight, bro? Bro, chill, bro. No, come up front.
Did it in the back seat. Why are we doing it?
No.
Spice it up.
No, come on. What if my foot would have touched the brake or the wheel, bro? Come on. I'm good, bro. We finna pull out, nigga. Come on. What you doing? Hey, bro, you acting weird as shit, bro. Come on.
Oh my god.
Alright, come on.
Bro, it was just a prank though. But you came back there though. We could have done a little
You're full of shit, bro. It's childish, bro. Bro, sit down, bro. Niggas gonna think, what the fuck this little girl doing?
No girl. It was a prank though, baby.
What type of prank is that?
I don't know if y'all could hear me, but that was fun though. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all.
What type of prank was that?
That was so fun. It was a backseat prank, babe.
It's not a prank, bro.
Yes, it is. I said, let's get in the back seat, and you fell for it. You came to the back. I mean, I wish we could have did some other things, you know. But he was too scary.
Bruh, that car wash was like...
He was too scary.
That car wash was like, what, 10 seconds long, bro?
Babe, whatever. Did I do good?
No, you did not do that.
Why?
That's not a prank. Okay, you did good.
I'm just listening to you. Like what? Keep talking.
No.
Keep talking.
No.
Why?
I'm just trying to make sure
We right here on this busy road, y'all. So that's why he's trying to focus on the road. Oh, look at this. Look at this, man.
Yo, what?
You say he going by all means. Bae!
What's up? Yo, I gotta pay attention over here. A car was just flipped over the other day. Yesterday. So I need to pay attention.
Yeah, I'm not saying you don't gotta pay attention.
Why do you keep saying bae? Yelling.
You're not saying it.
Okay, good job, good prank. Woohoo. Turn the damn camera off now. That was not a prank, bro.
It's not a prank. How is it not a prank?
You failed.
I failed?
Yeah, that was a fail.
How?
Because it was a fail.
What was the fail exactly?
You telling me to get back there.
How?
Going through a 7-second
Wait,
car wash.
it was the location or what?
Yeah, I think
The fail was the location?
Yeah, the wrong location. Wrong prank at the wrong time. I like you for trying.
I thought it was spicy though.
I like you for trying though. Yeah, but you know we're gonna clickbait the thumbnail, make it look all, you know.
I'm dead.
Close your video out?
I'm just with the hand. Because you said you don't like it.
I do.
You said you didn't like it.
I do.
No, I kind of did fail though. You're not giving me the reaction I want, so. But if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I thought I was doing something. I had fun though. You ain't have fun like getting in the
Little kid, bro.
He was scared.
I wasn't scared.
You wasn't scared.
It was just
It,
quick. It
the
was
car
7
wash
seconds.
was like short though, y'all.
7
As y'all
seconds.
can see.
Like 7 seconds worth of action. What I'm gonna do is stick it in and stick it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
You was moving slow. That's why I'm like, you just like.
Okay.
And then it just be, what? Was it a car behind us? Oh. Well, like, comment, and subscribe.
If you guys enjoyed this video, man, if you guys think Sydney failed, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. We appreciate you guys a lot. Sydney, you gotta come with it. maybe you need to
Don't worry, I'm gonna come with it.
maybe you need to stick to them random call pranks you be doing. Now I'm onto your ass. But anyway.
What random call pranks? Oh, the one I just did on you?
Yeah, maybe you need to stick to shit like that. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy it, man. I love you guys a lot. I know she love you guys a lot. And without further ado, peace.